Now, please help me in welcoming our presenter of all time, no? Mr. Paul de Guzman, aka Mr. Show Me the Money. Yeah. Sige, Sir Paul, take it away. Ayan, sige.
Iniintay ko yung kilabot ng Kulayala.
Hindi na. Ayan, sige. Okay.
Thank you very much. No? Ito na naman po tayo and I'm really glad and I'm excited to be back for the past... allow me to introduce myself first. No? Further, alam kong may pakilala na po ako ni Sir Anton. But for those of you, siguro marami na sa inyong di nakakilala sa akin because I have been not around for several months. So probably, medyo more than a year na rin, no? Because for the past several months, I took a passive approach pagdating po sa mga opportunities, no? I decided to sit and wait for the right opportunity. Hindi katulad po ng dati that I was very aggressive. Talagang I constantly look for opportunities, no? But then the right opportunity came one day, no? And I think you should take this as an inspiration as well. Hindi ako naghahanap ng opportunity for the past several months, pero one day, what would you do if one day dumating yung opportunity and binless ka ng pagkarami-raming blessings and opportunity, no? And you found more than 500,000, no, in peso doon sa account mo, no? Siguro magugulat ka, no, at first, pero nagulat ako. I was surprised, I was excited. Hindi ko alam na mangyayari yon, no? But what I did right was I followed the advice. Kahit naghihintay ako, I followed the advice na mag-register doon sa Stratify and Tag Market. Kahit I did not have any interest to put any investment there, no? So nag-register lang ako. And then, because Sir Anton is there, nakikita ko, nagpe-present siya everyday. Minsan sumisilip ako, hindi niyo siguro alam. Pinag-aaralan ko din. And then, Sir Anton convinced me to put at least $10 on my account, no? And that's where the miracle happened, no? Paglagay ko ng $10 sa account ko dito sa Tag Market, no? Which I will further introduce to you later on. Bigla na lang bumalaga sa akin yung amount of money na sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina, no? But I'm not saying that this would happen to everyone. Ito po yung lagi namin ina-advise when it comes to investing your money in any opportunities. You have to be committed and only take a risk na komportable ka, no? Only take a risk na hindi ka masasaktan if ever that business opportunity fails, no? Kasi nga sabi nga ni Ma'am Connie, yung failure is always part of success. Hindi siya opposite ng success, no? Part of success siya. Bago ka maging successful, kailangan daanan mo yung failures. Minsan, maraming failures yan before you reach or achieve success, no? Pero minsan naman, isang failure lang, you learned your lesson, tapos nagtuloy-tuloy ka na, instantly naging successful yung ibang tao, no? So, iba-iba po tayo ng course, no? So, I'd like to take that opportunity na binigay sa akin ni Lord, itong blessing na binigay sa akin to restart this business, no? Magkakasama na po kami ni Sir Anton sa C1. I was the leader and founder of our group, Drivers Legacy. I'm a nurse by profession na nakabase na po dito sa UK, sa London, to be specific, for the last 26 years, no? Medyo legend na tayo dito sa UK. 26 years. But aside from being a nurse, I'm also an insurance advisor. I also used to have a franchise business dito sa UK, isang malaking franchise chain ng sushi. So I used to be a sushi chef as well. Ano pa ba? Marami po tayong mga opportunities na pinasukan. I'm also a political marites, no? Araw-araw. Lagi po tayo nakikichismis pagdating sa politika, no? Just showing my concern dun sa Pilipinas kahit matagal na po akong wala dyan. But today we're going to talk about a very important business opportunity. Some of you are probably part of this already, and some of you were probably invited. No, sino po sa inyo yung mga invited ng mga nandito na sa business? Type lang po yung yes dyan sa chat box natin para malaman natin yung mga bagong guest natin na willing matuto at pag-aralan itong business opportunity. Samahan niyo po ako matuto, no? Kasi pagdating po sa industry na to at sa opportunity na to, baby pa po ako. Si Sir Anton po yung tatay ko pagdating dito sa industry na to. I'm still learning the trade. Meron akong konting alam pero yung mga specific I'd like to learn from Sir Anton, I'd like to learn from you. Sabay-sabay po natin siyang pag-aralan. Yung po yung what is great in this business opportunity, hindi mo kailangan maging master kaagad. Hindi mo kailangan maging knowledgeable dun sa opportunity already. You can start doing it while you are learning. Okay? So without further ado, wag na nating paghintayin yung mga tao, no? Kasi alam ko you're very excited to learn how to do this business opportunity. At sino ba yung magbibigay sa atin itong opportunity na to? So let me share my screen. Okay, so welcome po sa company na magbibigay sa atin ng napaka-exciting na opportunity na to. The name of the company, Stratify. Ang Stratify po used to be a partner of the company where everything started, yung C1 po, yung Crowd 1 na tinatawag, no? So Stratify decided to break away from C1. We are all still part of C1, but we are also blessed with another opportunity in Stratify, no? Ito po yung magdadala sa atin doon sa napakalaking industry ng forex trading, no? So I welcome you all to the world's largest and most liquid financial market, no? Pag sinabi pong liquid, ibig sabihin hindi solid. Pag sinabing liquid, hindi solid, no? No, what I mean, pagdating po sa finances, no, yung liquid po, ibig sabihin, ano ba yan? Mga asset na pwede mo i-convert into cash, no? Pwede mo i-convert into money straight away, no? Yung hindi siya matutulog, no? Pwede mo agad magamit siya. So, this is the world's largest and most liquid financial market. Stratify will introduce us to the foundation of forex trading, which is the biggest financial trading industry in the world, no? Ito po yung magna-navigate sa atin 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, no? Kasi nagpapahinga din po ito ng 2 days sa global marketplace, and automatically we will be rewarded dahil yung Stratify po, gumawa po siya ng isang affiliate model na magbibigay sa atin ng different types or different ways to earn in this business opportunity. So gaano po ba kalaki yung forex trading? Just to give some of you a brief background, no? Ang forex trading po, no, kasi marami tayong pwedeng i-trade, no? Nagsimula pa yan, simula pa ng panahon ni Kopong-Kopong, nagte-trade na po yung bawat bansa natin. Dati, ang tinitrade natin, mga spices, di ba? If you can remember. Pero ngayon, napakalaki na po ng trading industry. Ang forex po, isa lamang po sa mga pwede nating i-trade. Nandyan po ang cryptocurrency, nandyan po ang stocks, no? Yung mga bonds.
Na ano? Sandali, na ano siya?
Laki pagdating po ng industry. Gano'n po ba ito kalaki? Ang daily trading volume po ng Forex umaabot po ng 7 trillion US dollars. And again, it operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week dahil nagpapahinga din po ito ng weekend or Saturday and Sunday. It also involves government, central banks, commercial hedge funds, yung mga corporations, and retail traders. Ano ba yung mga major currencies na pwede nating i-trade pagdating sa Forex? Nandiyan po yung ito po yung mga most common, no, na tinitrade in the industry, yung US dollars and euros, US dollars to Japanese yen, Great Britain pounds o yung sterling pounds na tinatawag to US dollars. Pero ngayon, no, nag-evolve na rin po yung Forex natin, pati po gold pwede na nating i-trade against different currencies, particularly yung biggest currency in the world, no, na kinukonsider natin yung US dollars po. At yan po ang pag-uusapan natin later on. Now, again, Stratify is just the company that will take us to the forex trading industry. Siyempre, kailangan natin ng platform, no, where we can do all those tradings. At yan po yung tinatawag nating tag market, no, one of the most promising and biggest forex trading platform in the world sa ngayon po. Ang kagandahan po nito, yung tag market po, although it's a big company or a big platform now, nagsisimula pa lamang po ito, no, very young, no, nasa pioneering stage pa rin po tayo. And I cannot emphasize more kung gaano po kaganda kapag ka-part ka na isang company na nagsisimula pa lang, no? Kasi kasama ka doon sa pag-grow ng company na yon. We are very, correct me if I'm wrong, Sir Anton, no? We are only a few months old, no? Wala pang 1 year itong company, and yet, napakalaki na po nung achievement po ng tag markets because of the partnership with Stratify. Kasi yung population po ng Crowd1 before, dinala ni Stratify dito sa tag market. Kaya nagkaroon po ng solid at malaking foundation ito. So, ano bang opportunity natin dito sa tag market, no? Ang tag market, pag nag-invest po tayo dyan, kahit maliit po yung puhunan natin o kahit maliit po yung investment natin, ina-amplify po niya yan. No? Ano po ba yung ibig sabihin na ina-amplify? No? Sabihin natin, di ba, pag nakikinig tayo ng sounds, no, ng music, no, pag nilagyan natin ng amplifier yan, mas lalakas po siya, di ba? Mas lalaki po yung maririnig natin. So ganoon din po sa trading natin, no, yung capital natin o yung investment natin dito, i-amplify o i-multiply po ng tag market para mas malaki yung pwede nilang paglaruan doon sa as capital, as trading capital, no? So for example, $10, i-multiply niya by 12. At the moment, meron pong promotion yung company that you can grab and take advantage of yung 24 times amplify. So kung magkano man yung nilagay nyo dun sa account nyo, i-multiply ng company by 24. So for example, if you put $10 there, multiply by 24, ang magiging trading capital mo dun sa platform natin is $240. So napaka-exciting, no? Tinutulungan tayo ng company. But this is just a special promotion. You have to decide fast and take advantage of this promotion dahil itong offer po nito is only valid until the end of June. So meron pa po kayong 3 weeks para to take advantage of this promotion. Now, no, karamihan sa atin, no, lagi natin naririnig itong trading industry pero hindi natin alam kung paano tayo magsisimula, no. I always ask this question, do I have to trade myself? Kasi naririnig ko to sa mga nagte-trade, no? Meron silang mga monitor sa bahay, mino-monitor nila 24 hours. Yung iba, halos hindi na natutulog kamo-monitor kasi sila mismo yung nagte-trade to, no? So the question now is, do I have to trade myself? How can I start? Ang kagandahan po, nag-evolve na rin po ang trading ngayon. No, hindi na po natin kailangan tutukan 24 hours. Nandiyan na po yung copy trading na tinatawag, no? I'm sure kayo po nakakatanggap na po ng mga calls or messages in your social media inviting you, no, dun sa copy trading na tinatawag. Ano yung copy trading? Yung mga experts, sila na yung magmo-monitor, no? Tapos i-copy na lang natin kung ano yung ite-trade nila, no? And then kung ano man yung profit na kikitain nila, yun din yung kikitain natin. And that has evolved even more dahil sa dumating na rin yung mga AI trading, no, na nag-a-assist doon sa mga expert para makapag-automatic trade na, no. Sila na rin yung nagmo-monitor doon sa kalakaran o doon sa marketplace natin. Sa growth nung every currency pagdating sa forex at dun sa iba pang pwede nating i-trade, no? So nagiging mas madali na po ngayon, kaya nga sabi ko nga, 'di ba, hindi lang yung mga ordinary employees ang nawawalan ng trabaho because of robots, 'di ba? Sa Jollibee may mga robot na nagse-serve ng pagkain. Sa bangko ngayon, no? Nawawala na, kumukonti na rin yung mga bank teller, no, kasi puro machine na yung ginagamit natin, di ba? Dito rin, no, nawawala na rin ng trabaho yung mga stockbroker, no? Dahil sa stock exchange, pansin nyo, before, may mga stockbroker na sila yung magte-trade para sa atin. Ngayon, robot na rin yung posible mag-trade sa atin, which is very efficient. At the same time, of course, tinutulungan pa rin yan ng mga human being na nag-create dun sa robot na yon, and sila yung nag-program dun sa skills in order to analyze, no, the trading market. So pero pwede ka ring mag-aral kung paano ka mag-trade by yourself, no, dahil meron tayong academy diyan sa loob ng TAG market website natin, where you can watch a lot of videos of experts. Natuturuan po tayo kung paano po mag-trade, paano mag-copy trading, no? So all you need to do is to watch all those videos and you can learn. And aside from that, there's no scarcity of information now dahil nandiyan na po yung YouTube, no? Kahit and Google and ChatGPT, nandiyan din po yung sa TikTok, marami na rin pong nagtuturo diyan kung paano ka how to get involved in the trading industry, di po ba? Pero dito po sa TAG market, no, as I have mentioned earlier, hindi po natin kailangan tumutok dito 24 hours a day dahil alam ko po na bawat isa po sa atin may mga trabaho, no, especially in the current economic environment natin. Ang hirap na ng buhay, nagtaas na ang presyo ng mga bilihin, kailangan natin kumayod, no? So habang nagtatrabaho tayo, let TAG market, no, do something with your investment. Mas maganda kaysa sa ilalagay lang natin yung pera natin sa bangko and mag-earn lang siya ng small interest, no? So dito, with calculated risk, no, posible tayong kumita ng malaki through the trading market. So let me introduce to you the platform na gagamitin ni TAG market to do the copy trading. Ito po yung tinatawag na Sonic AI. AI, as many of you know, stands for Artificial Intelligence, di po ba? So si Sonic AI na po yung magte-trade, o siya po yung magka-copy. Siya po yung copy trader natin, basically, no? Siya po ang magmo-monitor sa market, tapos kokopyahin niya yung mga tinitrade ng mga trading expert, no, para sa atin, and then will make us earn the profit through our platform. So all we need to do is to wait for Sonic AI to do the trading each day. Minsan more than one time pa yan kung mag-trade. Tapos makikita na lang natin, sabi nga, yung term nga na ginagamit ni na Sir Eddie dito, no? Hintay lang natin mangitlog yung mga manok natin, di po ba, no? Of course, sa trading po, merong profit and loss na tinatawag dyan. Pero ang kagandahan po nga sa Sonic AI or sa copy trader machine na ito, yung efficiency niya, no, I believe na yung efficiency ng Sonic AI, no, yung win-loss rate natin is more than 90%, no? If correct me if I'm wrong, Sir Anton, no, more than 90% po yung winning rate ng Sonic AI. So napakalaki po ng chances natin compared to the risk involved pagdating po sa trading. Dahil nga po yung Sonic AI, meron siyang mechanism, no, na ginagamit niya to reduce the risk nung pagte-trade dun sa marketplace natin. Okay? So since Sonic AI na yung magmo-monitor, no, marami tayong time ngayon to earn, no, while we are already earning through the TAG market and the Sonic AI platform. So, kung gusto niyo mag-aral, fine. Panoorin niyo lang yung mga videos natin and attend the training programs na ino-offer natin, no? Sina Sir Eddie, sina Coach Anton are doing trainings on a regular basis para malaman natin yung ins and outs ng Stratify and Tag Market. So we can earn while already learning. Katulad ko po, no? Ngayon lang ako nag-start mag-present. I only started looking at Tag Market and Stratify last week lang, no? Last week lang. Una, naglagay ako ng $10 dun sa Tag account ko. And as I mentioned earlier, na-bless ako ng more than $250,000 pesos, or in dollars po, mga 5,000 plus dollars po yung kinita ko agad-agad, no? Which is hindi ko po siya kinuha dun sa account ko, no? Ang ginawa ko, i-roll over ko na po doon sa sa Tag Market natin. Nilagay ko na po doon, pinalaki ko na po yung investment ko doon sa account. And since last week po, yung daily profit po ng Tag Market account ko is ranging from I think mga $20 to $50 a day. Imagine, no? $20 to $50 a day. In peso, mga 1,000 peso yan to 2,500 pesos per day. 5 days a week yan, i-multiply mo. Tapos, i-multiply mo ng 4 weeks. Yun yung potentially or possibly na pwede mong kitain in 1 month. Di ba? Kung i-multiply mo yon. But then again, depende yan kung magkano yung nilalagay mo dun sa account mo. What we always suggest is only invest what you can afford to lose. Dahil ang trading po, there's always a risk involved yan, no? But because of Sonic AI, yung risk na may experience natin is lesser or much reduced kung ikaw mismo yung gagawa ng trading, kung ikaw pa yung magmamonitor, no? So, yun po yung nagagawa ng Sonic AI natin. So, earn while you earn. Now, tingnan po natin yung growth ng Sonic AI since it started in year 2024, no? Makikita po natin diyan yung monthly analytics ng Sonic AI since year 2024, and then compare it to year 2025. And I'm sure, no, pagdating po nung from January to June ng 2026 would be an even better figures, no? Pagdating po sa profit or kinikita ng Sonic AI. So year 2024, November 1.12, and then it grew to 1.17 in December, and then 1.23 in January 2025. For the whole year of 2025, nag-peak po ang Sonic AI to 1.78%, and then ang pinaka-latest po is 1.63% in October 2025. So meron pong ups and downs, pero kung makikita nyo po at i-analyze po itong graph na to, no? Never pa nag-negative ang Sonic AI. So ganun siya ka-efficient, no? Hindi pa siya nagne-negative. So lahat, kumbaga, nag-profit siya from November to for 1 year hanggang November 2025, no? So much more, as I've said, no, much more sa 2026 dahil lumaki po na lumaki. Dumami po na dumami ang who took the opportunity and now are using the platform of Tag Market and Sonic AI. So, paano po ba tayo kikita dito sa negosyo na to? Let me show you the world's simplest and powerful growth plan, no? Binigyan tayo ng 6 na paraan para kumita dito sa negosyo via Stratify and Tag Market. So ano po ba yung 6 na paraan na yan? Nandyan po yung trading profit natin, no? Yung kinikita natin dun sa investment natin. Kumbaga, ano to? Parang ikaw, naglagay ka ng pera sa bangko, for example, no? Time deposit. Yung kinikita niya araw-araw, no? Ito naman, naglagay ka ng pera dun sa Tag Market account mo, ginagamit ni Sonic AI para i-trade, no? Dun sa forex, no? Sa particularly gold and against the US dollars. Tapos araw-araw yan, nagkakaroon ng profit, no? Depende dun sa kung ilang beses siya nag-trade in a particular day. As far as I know po, minsan isang beses, minsan naman meron pang 2 or 3 beses in a day kung mag-trade si Sonic AI. So tinitingnan niya kung tumitingin siya ng opportunity to trade all the time. Second, na pwede natin pagkakitaan dito yung tinatawag na profit sharing. Third, we have trading lot commission. Fourth, we have leader pools. Fifth, CPA earnings, and then incentives. I will break this down and try to explain this to you in the simplest term para maintindihan po natin. But I would not go into a very detailed explanation, no? Kasi pwede nyo malaman yan during the training natin. Bibigyan ko lang po kayo ng idea kung paano ba tayo kikita dito sa negosyo natin. Okay? So let's talk about trading profit, no? Again, si Sonic AI from Tag Market, araw-araw po yan from Monday to Friday except Saturday and Sunday. We'll always look at opportunity to trade, no? Titignan niya yung marketplace. Pag may nakita siyang opportunity, magte-trade siya. You can either win or lose, pero so far Sonic AI has been performing very well. Wala pa nga ako nakitang loss simula nung I started trading nung last week, no. Every day it's been giving me profit, no. And I understand then from what I've heard from the previous webinar na pagka merong losses maliit lang, and then the winnings compensates to the losses the following day, di po ba, Sir Anton?
With Base 44, a simple sentence becomes your website. Page after page, ready for business. Plug in what you need, connect payments, sync calendars, and voila, watch notifications fly in. Sales, bookings, the good kind of noise. Edit, well, everything.
Pa-off po yung ads, ma'am. Nasa kanan. Nasa kanan po yung ads.
%70% on weekend pay. 70%. What happens to the other 30%? Yung 5% po, yung 5% po napupunta po doon sa developers ng Sonic AI, no? Kasi importante po na kumita din ng profit yung nagpo-provide sa atin ng opportunity, no? Yung Tag Market, yung Sonic AI. So 5% po goes to them, no? Para masustain po yung growth ng company natin. 25% naman sineshare po doon sa tinatawag nating network, no? Meron po tayong referral system or influencer group na tinatawag. You can do this on your own if you want, kung gusto mo lang mag-trading on your own. But you can make additional income dito sa negosyo na to by referring people, no, to Stratify, to Tag Market, and the company compensates you on that. 25%, no, ang i-distribute ng company doon sa iba't ibang paraan para kumita tayo dito sa negosyo through the referral system influencer program natin. Okay? So, yung 70%, anong gagawin mo doon? Pwede mong itago yan or i-withdraw mo, ilipat mo dun sa cryptocurrency wallet mo or ilipat mo dun sa bank account mo, no? GCash, I believe GCash is one of the platform na ginagamit natin para ilipat yung profit mo from Tag Market to your bank account, no? So, yung 70% na yan, pwede mong i-withdraw or pwede mong i-reinvest, no? Para compounding, no? Yung capital mo doon sa Tag Market na dadagdagan, ibig sabihin the next time na mag-trade siya, mas malaki na yung gagamitin sa pagte-trade, mas malaki din yung profit na makukuha mo, no? So ganun po ang ginagawa ng karamihan. Either they reinvest daily or yung iba naman they reinvest weekly. Pagdating ng Saturday, when trading is not happening, doon nila i-reinvest, no? So madadagdagan yung capital mo doon sa Tag Market account mo. Number 2, second way to earn, yung tinatawag na profit sharing natin, no? Wherein the company, siyempre nagre-refer tayo, di ba? The question is, pag nag-refer ba ako, kikita ba ako doon sa nag-refer ko? Of course, no? That's the primary purpose of the referral system. Para kumita ka not only from your own tag market capital or through the trading profit, but you can also earn doon sa mga taong nire-refer mo dito sa negosyo. And you can earn from the first level up to the 10th level, no? So hindi lang doon sa nire-refer mo. Yung nirefer ng nirefer mo, yung nirefer ng nirefer ng nirefer mo, yung nirefer ng nirefer ng nirefer ng nirefer ng nirefer mo, at yung nirefer ng nirefer ng nirefer ng nirefer ng nirefer mo, no? Up to the 10th level, kikita ka, no? So, yung 25% na yon, hatiin ng company into 10 levels, meron kang 2.5%, no? Doon sa up to the 10th level na yan. So, yan po yung profit sharing levels, profit sharing earnings natin dito, no, up to the 10th level. Third way to earn natin, yung tinatawag na earnings per lot natin doon sa 10 levels din, no. Ito yung lot commission na tinatawag natin. Again, during the training, this will be explained in details by Sir Anton, no. But let me give you an overview sa per lot 10 levels natin o doon sa lot commission natin. Binibigyan tayo ng company ng certain amount, no, certain amount from the first level to the 10th level then, no. Ang example yata natin dito, no, for example, yung tag market kumita ng $14, no. Yung 8 pounds 50 po dito ay binibigay po doon sa Stratify para hatiin po dito po sa lot commissions natin, no. Yung $2 binibigay po para doon sa mga direct referrals natin, no? Binibigay sa inyo for your direct referrals. And then 1.5 sa second level, $1 from the third to the fourth level, and then 0.5 dollars naman po from the fifth level up to the 10th level natin, no? Fourth, tama, up to the 10th level natin. So, yan yung lot commission na tinatawag natin. Ngayon, fourth way to earn naman natin yung leadership pool na tinatawag. So, ito po, yung lot commission, yung profit sharing, yung leader pool, kumikita po tayo based doon sa total income nung network or total income nung organization natin na nabuo natin, no? So, sa leader pool, meron po yung 1 and 2. Kumikita po tayo ng $2 per lot. Depende po yan doon sa amount nung investment ng buong organization mo, no. I think it starts with $500, $500,000. Pag na-reach mo yung $500,000, meron kang 1% na, tama ba ako, Sir Anton, 1%? Or
$1.
$1, okay. So for every $1 per lot, pero dalawa yan, di ba? So $2, tama? O $2 per lot?
$1 per lot, tapos another $1 will be on a 1 million sa Liverpool 2.
Okay. I think it starts with $500,000 and then merong, pag umabot na yung network, total investment mo sa $1 million, no? Mas malaki na rin yung makukuha natin. So yan po yung fourth way to earn natin. Again, in detail, if you want to learn about it in details, explain po namin yan during the training. Number 5, ways to earn natin, yung CPA earnings natin or yung CPA commission natin. Ang CPA po stands for cost per acquisition, no? Paano po tayo kumikita dito? Di po ba kayo at yung mga taong nirefer mo at nirefer ng mga nirefer mo, naglalagay sila ng pera doon sa tag market account nila, di ba? Doon sa Sonic AI nila. Okay? So sa bawat
One button, 60 languages, 0 learning required. This is real, and it's changing the way people communicate.
Sa total amount ng nilalagay nila doon, kumikita po tayo doon, no? Up to 10% total investment nung group mo, meron kang 1% na CPI commission doon. Up to 50 from $10,000 up to $10,000 from $10,000 to $50,000, meron kang 2%. from more than $50,000 to $200,000, meron kang 3.5%, at pag up to $1 million, meron kang 5%. So palaki po yan ng palaki habang lumalaki po yung total investment ng buong grupo mo. Again, hindi lang investment mo doon sa tag market, investment ng buong grupo mo o yung buong network mo dito, no? So, yan po yung number 5 natin. And number 6, hindi ko na napakita pala yung slide, no? So, again, yan po yung trading profit natin. Yan po yung 10-level profit sharing natin, and then the lot commission, and then the leaders pool bonus po natin. Ito po yung CPA earnings natin, no? From 1% up to 5%, depende po sa total volume o total amount of investment na pumasok na sa buong grupo mo. And take note po, no, sa lahat po from the leader pools hanggang po dito sa CPA earnings, nag-a-apply po dito yung 50% rule na tinatawag ng company, no? Kasi marami kang leg dito, 'di ba? Meron kang mga direct referrals mo, indirect referrals. So titingnan nila yung volume ng bawat leg mo, no? At kailangan natatapatan mo yung weaker leg mo and then yung strong leg mo. The details of that again will be explained during the training. Meron din tayong mga incentives na binibigay ng company every now and then, but then again, you have to achieve a certain level, no? Meron tayong travel voucher, meron tayong luxury watch, tulad ng Rolex, and then more luxury watch, no? Pagka na-reach mo yung $25,000, and then merong house and lot, no? I heard, no, na meron na pong nakakuha niyang family house na incentive, yes. No? Ikaw ba yan, Sir Anton?
Hindi. Yeah.
I understand na meron na po nakakuha ng family home na yan, no? And the other incentives ng company. Now, 6 po yung paraan ng pagkita natin, pero right now actually, because of the generosity ng company, binigyan pa tayo ng additional 2 ways to earn, no? Pero temporary lang po yun. So you need to take advantage of it. Yan po yung tinatawag na Stratify pool, tsaka yung tinatawag na Sonic AI pool, no? Again, nagre-rely po yan sa total volume or total amount ng investment ng buong grupo mo, no? Yung buong organization mo, not just your own. So to summarize it all, no, ang Stratify po at ang Tag Market and Sonic AI are giving us the opportunity to earn in 6 different ways. Nandyan po yung trading profits, yung profit sharing, yung trading lot commissions, yung leader pools, yung CPA earnings, at yung incentives, no, ng company na binibigay po sa atin. So, we can track our business through our Stratify portal, no? Nandyan po yung magkakaroon po kayo ng link for the portal ng Stratify where you can monitor the growth of your organization. Makikita mo doon, ako last week, as I've said, nagulat na lang po ako that I haven't even started, pero meron ng 290 people in my organization. Ganun po, no? Nagsisimula pa lang, meron ng 290 people. And I have to say, that's because of the work that I did when I was in C1 pa, no? Na na-carry over doon sa Stratify. For your information, I was a director 1-star doon sa C1, no? And the group of Sir Anton has benefited me a lot dito sa Tag Market and Stratify, because while I was hibernating and having a passive approach pagdating sa opportunity, Sir Anton was working hard, no, dito sa Stratify and Tag Market, and expert na siya dito, no, and alam niya we are very blessed to have Sir Anton dahil siya yung magtuturo sa atin ng ins and outs dito, at yung mga strategies na alam niya para ma-reach natin kagad yung mga different pools of earnings, no, para mag-qualify po tayo doon. So we can track our business. Dalawa po yung platform na yan, Stratify, tapos yung Tag Market platform natin, mamomonitor naman natin yung trading profits natin. Sa Stratify, mamomonitor natin yung 5 other ways of earnings in this business. Makikita din natin sa Stratify yung genealogy natin, no, yung growth ng organization, kung gaano nakarami yung pumapasok sa organization. Kasi you'll lose track, no? Hindi mo makikilala lahat yan. Ang makikilala mo lang dyan yung mga direct referrals mo, and most of the people in your organization hindi mo nakakilala, no? Out of the 290 people in my organization, siguro 10% lang nun ang kakilala ko, no? So yung iba doon hindi ko nakakilala at hindi ko na rin alam kung saan mga lupalop ng mundo sila nang galing, no? Baka mga parang mushroom na nagsulputan na lang, no? I believe and I understand that I have groups from India, we have groups from the Philippines, we have groups from Hong Kong, no? From Canada, from Australia. You cannot stop it, no? Once na nagsimula ka dito, your network will grow whether you like it or else. Sabi ko nga, di ba? So, ano ba yung trading platform na ginagamit ni Sonic AI at ni Tag Market, no? Yun po, isa po sa pinakamalaki, no, yung tinatawag na MetaTrader 5 natin, no? Kaya 5 meron yang 1, 2, 3, 4, no? So 5 na tabo tayo ngayon. You can download the MetaTrader 5 app on Play Store or App Store. You can search for TM Financials under new account, or you can create an account in MT5, no? Libre po yan. And you can enter your MT5 credentials, no? Kung gusto nyo i-monitor, doon kasi sa Tag Market, binibigyan ka ng MT5 account, bibigyan ka ng username doon, and merong MT5 password ka doon. So ilagay mo lang po yung credentials doon, and makikita mo na din po doon yung Tag CopyX dashboard mo, no? And then you can view, no, lahat po ng trading activities na nangyari po doon sa Sonic, makikita mo at mamomonitor mo rin if you want, no? If you want. Pero yung iba, they don't care, no? Maglalagay lang ng pera doon, and then probably will look at it every week or even every month, no? At titignan na lang nila kung magkano na lang yung profit na kinikita nung investment nila dito sa Tag Market, no? So yan po, no? Different ways to earn, a lot of different ways to earn. If you want to learn the specifics, no? If you want to learn on how you can get started in this opportunity, you can ask the people that invited you, or nagkakandak din po tayo ng training on how you can register. Mayroon din mga YouTube videos that are available that will teach you how to register sa Stratify and then sa Tag Markets, no? Importante lang pong malaman nyo that you need to register through Stratify first before you can open an account in Tag Market, no? Tuturuan namin kayo kung paano kayo magwi-withdraw, no? At paano nyo ililipat yung mga profit nyo doon sa GCash nyo. I always advise people to withdraw, no? Wag puro pasok lang ng pera, no? Maglalabas ka rin para magamit mo, no, yung pinaghihirap, yung profit na kinikita mo doon sa account mo, no, sa Tag Market platform natin, no? So mag-withdraw ka hanggang mabawi mo yung initial capital mo, no? And then paikutin mo na lang kung magkano yung kinita mo dito sa negosyo natin, no? So you have to be a disciplined trader here. So, tuturuan namin kayo kung paano kayo mag-create na account, how to make a deposit from your bank account or from your cryptocurrency wallet if you have, kung paano ka mag-change ng mga password mo, and how to navigate the dashboard. Tuturuan din namin kayo if you're interested to become an affiliate, kasi you can either decide to just focus on Tag Market and trade, no, gawin nyo lang yung copy trade on your own, or you can become an affiliate, no, and take advantage of the 5 different other ways of earnings dito sa negosyo via Stratify, no. So yan po yung pwede nating matutunan or ituturo namin sa inyo during the training. So, I guess that's about it, no? Na-share ko na po sa inyo yung mga importanteng information about Stratify, Tag Market, and Sonic AI. So, we leave the decision to you kung ano yung gusto nyong gawin, but we strongly encourage you to not miss this great opportunity na binibigay sa atin ng Stratify, no? At ng Tag Market at ng Sonic AI, no? It's a very rare opportunity sa panahon po ngayon, and I can proudly say, no, na blessed na po ako ng Stratify at ng Tag Market in the last week, no. Napakabilis po ng pangyayari, and that made me decide to be more aggressive and start doing presentations like this with Sir Anton like we used to do before, no. And I hope na naintindihan niyo po yung explanation natin, but if not, again, meron po tayong mga available trainings, and we will be doing this presentation on a regular basis to help everyone to grow your network din, no? Para makapag-invite po kayo, and then you can take advantage of our presentation. Kami po yung mag-explain ng business para sa inyo, and then of course yung na-invite nyo will fall under your network po, no? So maraming salamat po, and again, I'm excited to be back, and you will see more of me in the next few days, weeks, and months, and probably years, no. Sama-sama po nating pag-aralan ng Stratify at Tag Market, at sama-sama din po tayong ma-achieve natin yung success, financial success, no. Yun po yung ultimate target natin, no. Dumating po tayo sa point that we don't have to work for the money, and we can have the money work for us, no. Sabi nga ni Ma'am Juanino in the beginning, ang primary target natin is to become financially successful. Ma-achieve po natin yung time freedom, ma-achieve po but that we can never achieve pagka wala tayong financial freedom, di ba? Yung time freedom, yung the freedom to choose when you want to wake up in the morning, the freedom to choose where you want to go, no? Hindi katulad po pag empleyado ka, you're working 9 to 5, kailangan gumising ka ng ganitong maaga, kailangan ganitong oras ka magbe-break, magko-coffee, no? Kailangan ganitong oras ka uuwi, no? So para tayong nakakulong, no? We want to get out of that rat race na tinatawag, and the only way we can do that is by achieving financial freedom, no? And through Stratify and Tag Market, I believe that it is very possible, no? So samahan niyo po kami na gawin itong opportunity na to. Thank you very much, and God bless everyone. Thank you, Sir Anton.
Ayun.
Yan, narinig po natin, no? Narinig po natin yung presentation po ni Sir Paul kagabi po 'yon, ano? So napakaganda po talaga yung pag-present niya, tsaka po clear na clear yung sa kanyang presentation. So ngayon po naman, Sir Eddie, are you ready po?